Now I'm going to present how the interface of the club works at the TouchCube platform, and I'll explain since how to register different categories to your club up to how to generate the reports of the players. So it's basically divided into three steps that I will explain. The first step, you have to register the category like a under 15 team and also add the players to this category. And the second step, you have to create the test application and also to add the players that will participate in this test application. And in the third step, I will show you how to generate the reports after these players have already done the test. Okay, so let's start with the first step to create and to actually to register a category at your club. You just have to click here and then you click add. So I will create the under 15 category in my club, and then you have to click save. That's it. It's already created here, so you can see it's already here. Now I will add the players to my category. So you have to click here, and then I will type the name of the player that I want to add to my category. It's important to know that the player has to be already registered at the platform. Okay, so let's insert. This is the player that I'm looking for. These are the personal information just to double check, and then you click add and you confirm. Okay, I will add another player. This is the second player. Click add and confirm. And I'm going to insert another player. Okay, this is the player that I'm looking for. That's it. I have already done. I registered this category and added the players. So in the next video, I will show you how to do the second step.